Magandang araw. I am Margie Marie Historia, Master Teacher 2 of Poblacion Kadingilan National High School, with 25 years of dedicated service to the Department of Education, Division of Bukidnon. Throughout my journey, I have served not only as a teacher and class advisor, but also as a mentor and coach to fellow educators. I actively support LAC session, instructional planning, ICT integration, and the development of learner-centered classroom, while working collaboratively with colleagues to improve teaching and learning. Identifying the parts of both plant cell and animal cell. So based on the picture, Alingalan, what part of the cell which is only found in plant cell? Plant cell. Still one. Very good. Still one. My commitment to learners extend beyond the classroom through the programs such as Project IMACE, which supports child finding and enrollment, Project PAIR, which uses peer-assisted reading to address reading difficulties, and Project SAGIP, which promotes environmental responsibility. I also value strong community partnership through Project CARE, Project Bayanihan, Project Pasko, pagmamahalan at serbisyong Kalingap Outreach, providing meaningful support to learners and less fortunate members of the community. For me, being a master teacher is not simply about experience. It is about sharing knowledge, mentoring others, serving the community, and creating opportunities to every learner. After 25 years, my greatest reward remains seeing teachers grow, learners succeed, and communities come together for education. I am Margie Marie Historia, 25 years of teaching, mentoring, innovating, and serving with heart.
Isa ka stakeholders applications, yes. Nakauban ako si Ma'am Margie sa 5 ka tuig. Kung ako nakita sa iyahan na isa siya ka-energetic na maestra, kan? Kung maayos sa siya sa iyang mga estudyante, uban siya sa iyang mga teachers. Kung lagi po na yung kasulti sa iyahan, maayo din siya, isa din siya ka-sumbanan sa mga kabataan sa ato ang eskwelahan Kadingilan National, Poblacion Kadingilan National High School. O kini ako nila pasalamatan isip isa ka ginikanan, isa ka stakeholder, pa siya nagpabilin kung karon nga maayo gid siya. Mao na ako ka Ma'am Margie Historia.
Hi, good morning. It is my opportunity to say an appreciation to our master teacher, Ma'am Margie Marie and Historia. I am her former student, actually from grade 7. So she is my advisor up to now, and she's still my advisor regarding with my life, and as a master teacher who mentor us not just inside the classroom but also in our real life. So I am so thankful for her life because I can define her in 3 words. First, she is excellent. Why? Excellent not just in academics but also in character. No, she works diligently with integrity and a good values towards us as co-educators, and also an exemplary role model. She leads by example. No, for me, And for us, we look up unto her, her dedication and service, her works, she go beyond her responsibility. And I thank God because she leads me example, for I am a beginner of this service, but throughout the way, she helped me and motivated me. The third one is, she is an extraordinary master teacher. Why? Because she is not just helping inside of our school, but she extends her help in our community. She gives a good impact and she helps those people who are in need without asking in any return.
Good morning, everybody. I am Mrs. Flores Tapili, CWL member in the San Isidro Labrador Unit of Kadingilan, and presently the CWL Diocesan Board Secretary of the Diocese of Malaybalay, Bukidnon. I have known Sister Margie Marie Historia in 2018 when she joined the Catholic Women's League, and now she's the secretary of the unit and secretary of the deanery of Kadingilan, composing of 4 parishes. I know her as a kind-hearted woman, very loyal and committed to the organization, and very active in all CWL activities, not only here in the parish but also in the deanery and the Diocese of Malaybalay. One of the one of the programs of the Catholic Women's League she is very supportive of is the outreach program intended for family, life, and youth, wherein the feeding program is one of its activities. Here in Kadingilan Parish, we are conducting a monthly feeding program with all our financial support. We do not ask donations from the different organizations or from the LGUs, but we conducted the feeding program by our own financial capacity. Just a little, just like feeding the children in selected areas with binignit, champurrado, bihon, or a full meal, depending on the members. So is sponsoring on that certain schedule of feeding program. And after the feeding, children are usually dispersed, no? But now, Sister Margie introduced an innovation to that feeding program, just a sort of catechism for the children, teaching them the basic prayers, teaching them songs, and reading stories to them with moral values. And before they are being dispersed and the food are distributed, all the children are being taught of these moral lessons. And after that, every feeding program, this activity is already practiced ever since it was introduced by Sister Margie. And that Sister Margie, as I observed, is not just only limited to her classroom, but also extends her concerns, her knowledge, and her financial support to the organizations and the community where she belongs. Good morning.
Testimony for Ma'am Margie Historia, Master Teacher to Poblacion Kadingilan National High School. Ma'am Margie is a dedicated, competent, and passionate educator who consistently goes beyond her duties to support our learners and fellow teachers. Her accomplishments reflect her commitment to excellence, innovation, leadership, and genuine service. As her school head, I am truly proud of her dedication and contributions to our school. She is not only a master teacher by position, but a master teacher by heart, character, and impact. Margie, you have already made PKNHS proud. You truly deserve to be recognized as the most outstanding master teacher. Congratulations, and we are proud of you.